In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gmail messages in bulk, which is an essential skill for managing your email efficiently and keeping your inbox organized. We're all familiar with that overwhelming feeling when our inbox is overcrowded with hundreds, maybe thousands of emails. It can be quite a daunting task to streamline this, but fear not. We're going to tackle it together step by step. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the official Gmail website. This should be your first port of call, as we'll be working directly within your email account to clear those messages out. Once you're logged in and can see your inbox, you'll notice a search bar at the top. This is an incredibly useful tool for narrowing down exactly which emails you want to delete. Consider filtering your selection by entering keywords, specific date ranges, or even the sender's email address into the search bar to identify your target emails more effectively. After you've entered your search criteria, hit the search icon or press enter. This will display all emails that match your criteria, streamlining what you need to delete. Once your search results are displayed, you'll want to select all the emails on the page. You can do this by clicking the checkbox at the top left corner of your message list, right next to the refresh icon. Doing this selects all visible emails on the current page, but if you want to delete more than just those, look right above your emails. A subtle message will often appear saying something like, "Select all conversations that match this search." Click on this link to select every email that matches your search criteria, not just the ones on the screen. Now that you have all your targeted emails selected, it's time to move on to deleting them. You'll find a trash can icon at the top of the page. This is what you'll click next. Clicking this will move all selected emails to the trash. Keep in mind that once in the trash, the emails will be permanently deleted after 30 days, which gives you a bit of time to retrieve them if necessary. If you're taking this opportunity to tidy up your inbox more generally, you might want to make it a habit to perform this bulk deletion process regularly. By doing so, it helps ensure your Gmail account operates efficiently and remains uncluttered. This can prevent slight slowdowns and improve your overall productivity by focusing on only the necessary emails. So there you have it, a straightforward method to quickly clean up your Gmail inbox. With this skill, managing your emails becomes less of a chore and more of a routine, keeping your digital life running smoothly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tips.